guys, this video cast is for how to install readyGo on your Ubuntu Linux machine. So you just need to go to the readyGo website. It's an open source project. So started and developed by myself, Jiten Balaparthi. Just click here, you can see version 0.0.6 is available here. In the assets you can see a lot of different suitable versions are available. This is for Fedora, this is for Ubuntu, this is for Alpine kind of Linux, this is for Windows 64-bit, again general Linux 64-bit, which is a tar file. There you need to untar and install it, and then you can see that for Mac OSs, again it's provided as a 64-bit tar format. So just need to go here. I'm trying to install on my Ubuntu machine, so just click here. So it's getting downloaded here in my download folder. Once this is completed, I go here. You can see that readyGo version 0.0.6 -amd64.deb file. So this, I got it as a deb file. If you want, you can download as a tar file and tar it, and then manually you yourself can make it run by copying it to user local directory here or any bin directory or based on your path. So this is a deb file, so I have to install it using sudo dpkg i readygo.deb. So it got downloaded. You can see that. So it has got downloaded. It has got this package is installed in this location, user local bin readygo. So you want to check whether it's installed properly or not. Just click, just write this command, readygo version. You can see that readygo version 0.0.6 compiled and tested for gRPC version. That means if you want to create any gRPC project, it has been tested to run on this particular gRPC versions. It doesn't mean that it will not work on previous versions or later versions, but at this point of time this project has been tested on this particular versions. So that's it guys, thank you.